In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. So for it, just go to any browser and in the browser, search for Visual Studio Code, then press enter and here you can see visualstudio.com. So you need to click here and it will take you over here. So here you will see this download option and here I'm using Windows. So I'll also see this option download for Windows. So we need to click on this and there you can see it started downloading and it also took us to this page and it is around 110 MB, so it will take some time. And there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, we just need to double click on this downloaded file and it will show you something like this. So here you need to accept the agreement. So here you can see accept the agreement, then click on next. Then you can choose where you want to install VS Code. So I'm going to keep the default location and I will also suggest you the same. Then click here next. Then click on next and here you can see create a desktop icon. So we are going to select this. Then we are going to click here next and click on install. So it will install Visual Studio Code and it will take a few seconds. And there you can see this done. So right now here you can see it selected this launch Visual Studio Code. So right now if I now click on finish, so there you can see it opened Visual Studio Code and here you can see it also created the desktop icon for Visual Studio Code as well. So yeah, this is how we can install Visual Studio Code. I hope this was useful and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.